Hi friends, welcome to SNCA Study Club, a platform for CA final students. Here we are describing what? Section 25. We know that a chartered accountant, either as individual or as partnership, cannot be practiced as a body corporate, that is incorporating a company they cannot practice. So section 25 is mainly about this, but management consultancy services is not applicable here. They can provide management consultancy services even afterward incorporating a company. So section 25 states that company whether in India or outside India, company whether in India or outside India shall not practice as a chartered accountant, shall not practice as a chartered accountant. So a company whether in India or outside India shall not practice as a chartered accountant. So suppose if a company XYZ Limited made a contravention to the same, that is contravention to the provisions of section 25, they incorporated a company and started to practice as a chartered accountant. So it is stated that if any company has made any contravention to the provisions of section 25 without any prejudice to any action which has been taken against the company, suppose they may have any pending litigations or any other actions which is against the company, without considering all these or without considering any of these, every officer, every director, every member, every secretary, can it is applicable to every member, every secretary, every director and every officer? No. Every director, every member, every secretary, every officer. What ma'am is again repeating the same? Ma'am already told that it is not applicable to every officer, every director, every member and every secretary. Yeah, but it is applicable to whom? Every officer, every member, every secretary, every director who is knowingly a part of this contravention. Suppose XYZ, they are the management secretary, officer or director, they knowingly a part of this contravention, they will be punishable with a fine of 1,000 rupee. With a fine of 1,000 rupees. Suppose they again conducted or again done the same contravention subsequently, then they will be punishable with a fine of 5,000 rupee plus 6 month imprisonment. But what? Plus 6 month imprisonment. 6 month imprisonment. So as per section 25, no company whether in India or outside India shall practice as a chartered accountant. If any contraventions are made to the provisions of section 25, every director, every member, every secretary, every officer of the company who is knowingly a part of this contravention shall be punishable with a fine of 1,000 rupee in case it is first time conviction. Then if they subsequently done the same, they will be punishable with a fine of 5,000 rupee plus 6 month imprisonment. This is what section 25. Okay. So here we are completed what